world we're strangers. Rise for those in need, reaching out however far, for there is no small deed. The strong will not be broken. The choice is always ours. In darkest times is when we find the light beneath the stars.
Feed the Fridge is not going anywhere, and we're going to make sure we take care of everyone and change the mindset from food insecurity, which is just another way of saying people are hungry, to meal security.
We help to save life, shining the hope till the light comes through. See the dream, and it will come true.
Food is not just something you need to live, it's a community creating substance.
On and on the echo, the stories far and wide. When odds are stacked, the random acts of kindness heal inside.
People need to eat, and they need to eat today. People need to be able to access food with dignity. You can open the door, take what you need, go home and feed your family.
Love will lead the way for all that have to someone's home. From the heart, the journey start, a path